Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix friend request missing on Facebook tab. So if you open the Facebook application either on Android or on iPhone, and then you discover that the Facebook friend request is missing here or at the top on your Android, and I want to fix this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix Facebook friend request tab missing on your account, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the menu at the bottom right or at the top right. Scroll down the page, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then under Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll down until you get to Preferences. Then locate tab bar, click on it. Once you click on that, click on Customize the bar. Then scroll down, find Friend Request under Hidden, and then click on Pin. Now hang on, then you should see your friend request pop on the navigation. Now I can now go back on the Facebook settings. So whether you close the Facebook application or not, your friend request on Facebook will be fixable here. You see that? So that is basically how to fix Facebook Friends tab missing on your account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.